Listen to this.
Yo, yo, yo! This is the reckoning! Huh. Yo, yo! Come on! I'll be beckoning! Yo, 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 yo! This is the reckoning! Yo, yo! Come on! I'll be beckoning you to indulge in this Turkish delight. You to behold with all of your might. Go glistening bonnet on a cold September, losing your wallet and you cannot remember. What did you see when you went out of your way? How could you be? How could you miss foreplay? I played it up once, I play it down again. Driving my voice like I was lost in a Sean Penn moment. I realized the streets were evil loaded. I draw back, compete with the Beatles. Ringo was in my dreams just like a nun. We all got along until we met Neil Young, who was slamming and jamming like there was no tomorrow. Fell out over blackbirds, it's a one for sorrow, a two for shame, a rat out your brain. Live out your fantasy so you can exchange words. Rough, 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 rough. And it was rough, rough like a triumph, solid like a diamond, insured as part of the belt of Orion. Look up into the night and see the stars glow. Look up and fight and then you will have a go. Come up and hear it here. Come up in your ear, yeah. You know, 'cause it's time to go. So, yo, you know, yeah. This is the reckoning, yo, come on, 'cause I'll be beckoning, yo, yo, come on, well, yeah. This is the reckoning, yo, yo, come on, I'll be beckoning,